Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve another SQL problem from Leetcode website. And the name of this problem is replace employee ID with the unique identifier. Okay, and today is our day 49 of 100 days of SQL challenge where I will be solving one question each day. And I hope you guys are also solving with me to practice SQL. And we are doing SQL 50 series, right? And this is very easy level problem. So if you know joins in SQL, you will be easily able to solve this. So let us read the question and try to solve this. So we have this employees table where I have two columns, that is ID and name. ID is of the data type integer and name is of the data type varchar. Now, ID is the primary key column with unique values for this table. What does this means is that this ID, that is this is employee table, so this ID is the primary key, means all the values will be unique for this ID column, right? Now, each row of this table contains the ID and the name of an employee in a company. So this means that in this employee table, each row, what it indicates? It indicates the ID of the employee and the name of that employees. Okay. Now we have another table, and that is employee UNI. Okay, where we have also two columns, that is ID and unique ID, and both of these columns have the data type integer. Now ID and unique ID is the primary key combination of columns with unique values for this table. Means that in this table, that is employee UNI table, the combination of this ID and unique ID, that is this one. Okay, this one, and this one is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table contains the ID and the corresponding unique ID of an employee in the company. So for example, this, let's say this row, so employee ID 3 have the unique ID as 1, right? Now what we need to do is we need to write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. If a user does not have a unique ID, replace just show null. Return the result table in any order, so we don't have to do order by. So in the output, I need the unique ID and the name. All right. So my unique ID column I can get from this employee UNI table, but to get the name, I should take the name from this employee table. So definitely I need to join these two tables to get the required output, right? Now, what type of join we will use? Okay, so you want to show the unique ID for each name, right? For each user. So definitely on the basis of this ID column, you will join the two table. But if you join the both of these table with, let's say, inner join, so what will happen is only the common records, that is this one and this one will come. So you will get the one and the name, that is Alice, right? And then 3, so 3, right? So only two records you will get, 1 and 3. But I need for each of these user, I need the unique ID, and if some of the user does not have the unique ID, I need to show it as a null. So definitely if I consider this as my left table, I should join both of these table with left join. So I hope you understand. So let's start solving the problem. So from this employees table, let me copy. From this employees table, let me give alias as EMP. I want to join this employee UNI table with left join. So left join this, and let me give alias as EMP UNI for unique ID, right? Now on what column I will join this? So as you can see, ID column is common in both of them. So I will say that this dot ID should be equals to the ID of this employee UNI table. So let me copy this. Oh, sorry. Dot ID, right? All right. Now I join those two tables. Now what columns I need in the final output? I need the unique ID. Okay, unique ID. Let me just this, and second column I need is the name, right? So name. And to retrieve those columns from the tables, you have to use the select query. And whenever you are writing any query, it's a good practice to write the keywords in capital letters. So let me just run this code. Yeah, it gets accepted. And let me just quickly submit the code as well. And guys, if you are liking my videos, please subscribe to the channel and please solve one question with me. And thank you so much.